welcome back to the channel. So here I have the XK AS350 K123 6-channel brushless motor 3D 6G helicopter, and I got this from hobbyking.com. It's ready to fly. I got it a while ago. I've opened it and used it, but I never got around to doing an unboxing video on it, so here it is. This is pretty much how it came. I don't exactly remember where the... Oh, sorry, I gotta smooth this. Okay. I don't exactly remember where the instruction manuals were. That's that. It's really nice packaging. This is just such an all-around nice helicopter. So in here, you have your helicopter, I guess, just on its own. Okay, hold that open, and it's in there. I kind of crashed it, and it got a little bit of damage right here. What was it? Yeah, this little white thing broke off. But that's like pretty much the first time I flew it. I didn't really know what to do. I crashed it on my deck and it kind of cracked there. I taped it back on. But it doesn't really affect how it flies that much. Could probably glue this back in if I wanted to. But, so that's that. Set that aside. I'll just put it back in here. But it flies quite nice, and it's got lots of power. It's a brushless motor, and yeah, okay. So my version, I don't think the version I got came with 2 batteries. Came with an extra one. So in this bag, you've got spare propellers, your hex screwdriver, extra gear, extra tail rotor, just the main parts that you might break, and then you got that charger, 2, I think they're 1-cell lipos, so yeah, they're 1 cells, so you plug this into this little box here, and then you plug balance plugs into there, and it'll just charge as USB. That's nice because it came from China, so you don't really need to worry about getting adapters. And then here is the radio. It's a very nice radio for this kind of helicopter. I got the like completely ready to run version, so it came with the radio. It's quite a large radio, actually. So there it is. It feels very nice. So you got your safety switches, and then you can unscrew your things if you wanted to do like thumb flying or something like that. But yeah, it's nice. It feels nice in the hand. You got a little carabiner clip, display, and then so that's about it, really. When it warms up, I might do a running video of it here. You'll see. More focused on the ground vehicles right now. It's just more fun, I guess. It's not as hard to repair when you break it. And then also I will be repairing the Traxxas Rustler. It's not like badly broken, it's just a spur gear. I'm pretty sure that's all that's wrong. I got it right there, so that shouldn't be that hard to fix. So yeah, thanks for watching.